Okay, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Here I wanna tell you about types of education insurance. Currently, there are two types of education insurance, namely endowment insurance and unit-linked insurance. For number four, Dwiguna education insurance of endowment. This education insurance is a combined product of life insurance protection plus money market instrument. Insurance will cover the cost of the child education if later the parents can no longer earn a living due to death or total disability. In addition, the result of instruments in the money market, such as deposit, then to provide a definite yield value which can be withdrawn within a certain period of time. The amount is in accordance with the contract that has been agreed with the customer and the insurance provider. Number two is unit-linked education insurance. The type of education insurance is also a combination of life insurance and investment service. The premium paid every month will not only protect the future of children's education, but will also be managed for investment products such as a mutual funds. The profit from the investment will be distributed according to the stage of the child's schooling. For example, when they enter elementary, middle, or high school. However, it should also be understood that every investment has its own risk, even though there is an opportunity to get high return or investment return of saving. But behind that, there is also a high risk tips for choosing insurance. Number one is calculating the cost of education requiring before starting to look for the appropriate education insurance. You must first determine the extent of the education cost need. All aspects of cost should be taken into account, starting from registration fees or entry fees, monthly tuition fees, extracurricular fees, book fees, uniform fees, transportation fees, and other from entering school or to graduation. For education costs that are sufficient in the future or whose duration is greater than 10 years, such as the cost of higher education, it is necessary to take into account the inflation that occurs that the investment value that we can currently planning can offset the increase in the cost of education. Okay, for number two, evaluate with your financial ability. After determining the education cost need, you should also measure how much money you can comfortably set aside and what financial risk you will face when buying the insurance product. Education insurance is a type of long-term insurance. Don't let premium payment interfere with the family financial condition and premium payment get stuck in the middle of the road. Okay, for number three is choose an insurance company wisely. Next, choose an insurance company that has a good and reliable track record. Each insurance company has its own advantage and disadvantage. You can do a little research in comparing educational insurance product between insurance company. Choosing carefully so that there are no regrets in the future. The most important thing is to choose an insurance company that has an agency certificate from and has been recognized and supervised by the Financial Service Authority. Okay, for the next is review the insurance policy. After determining the insurance product you want to buy, it's a good idea to recheck all the terms and conditions contained in the insurance policy. Understand all rights and obligations of customers and insurance companies. Make sure the name of the insured, the amount of premium, sum assured duration of insurance, insurance costs, investment instrument, and other facilities are in accordance with what has been mutually agreed. Insurance participate have the right to study the policy cooling down period of free lock period within a period of at least 14 days from the policy date.